morning, guys. Welcome once again on HomeBuild construction, whereby today I'm going to show you swimming pool construction. We are doing what we call fixtures, plumbing line. We are installing the lights. On the other side, as you can see, these guys excavating a baby pool. From there we are going to start doing it. See that guy there is cleaning the light shell, underwater lights. On the far end, I'm going to show you another guy who is a technician working on the plant room where we will store the machinery. It's coming out. So as we move around, you see on the other side the greenery, the landscape is already done. Thank you. Let's meet you the next.